Hello and welcome back to another video. You're watching your favorite channel where you get all the latest information for your favorite gadgets and your favorite products out here. And talking about today's video, we have come up with an exciting model out here by Lenovo IdeaPad 320 out here. Yes, 320 की बात करें तो it's one of the most amazing variant out here. Back then when it was released, we can say that 320 has got some amazing features, amazing variety. There are a lot of variations out there. And let us talk about the specifications also of this variant. And when we talk about this variant, then we can say that it offers you a okay weight, not very heavy or not very lightweighted. Yes, it weighs approximately 2.2 kgs out there. So we can say that the weight is slightly heavy out here and not very light, not very heavy. So moderate weight could be considered. Apart from that, if we talk about the operating system inbuilt in it, then it operates with DOS out there. Yes, the operating system is DOS out there, DOS out there, which is of 64 bytes. Yes, this is of 64 bytes out here, and we get to see a variety of IdeaPad 320 series. Yes, this is a variety out there. Talking about this variant, we can say that it has got a very good screen size. Is the screen size is quite good, which is approximately 39.62 centimeters diagonally. Why we measure diagonally? Because this is the proper way to know how a gadget is having the what kind of dimension it has. Talking about this IdeaPad 320 series, we can say that the screen size also varies. Yes, the screen size also varies. If we talk about this variant or the other variant, this the screen size is definitely varying out. We already know that approximately yes, diagonally when we check out, then it is approximately 39.62 out there. Yes, centimeters में बात करते हैं. If we talk about in the centimeters, then it is 39.62. But talking about these variants, we can say that the variants out here offers you different screen size, which are because of the slight variation in the length, breadth, and thickness out there. Otherwise, this is absolutely same out here. Apart from that, if we talk about these variants, then we can say that they offer you a resolution of 1366 into 768. This is a common resolution or the native resolution in Lenovo series out there, offering you a PPI MCD of 100. Yes, you get to have PPI MCD of 100 out there. Along with that, you also get to see that it offers you HD LED backlift anti-glance display. So display is quite amazing. This is not just a normal LED display. It is HD LED backlift anti-glance display out here. So this is really an important and a very integral part of this version, offering you a very good source of, you can say, output or the display out there. Whereas talking about this variant, we can say that it offers you a Intel Core processor out there. Yes, the processing system used in this is Intel Core out there. That is 7th generation i5, which is used in this version. Whereas you also get to see that it has got a clock speed of 2.5 gigahertz, or we can say the speed of this performance or the processor is 2.5 gigahertz. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that the graphical processing system used in this is quite good. That is GeForce GT out there. It's not a very renowned or a very new out there. Yes, it's used an earlier version. If we talk about this variant, then we can say that GeForce GT is really a good variant out here. Along with that, you get to see 4 GB storage out there in graphical memory. When we talk about these variants, when we talk about this version, then we can say that the graphical memory is also good, that is 4 GB. So overall, if we talk about this variant is quite good, offering you good Intel processing with 2.5 gigahertz speed, as well as it offers you GT, uh, GeForce GT graphical processor and 4 GB processing. So this is overall a good variation. Whereas if we talk about internal systems, then we can say that it has got a single RAM slot out there, single RAM slot, offering you 8 GB storage RAM. Yes, 8 GB RAM could be seen out. Along with that, the expandability could be seen out as 16 GB. Yes, expandability is up to 16 GB out here. Apart from that, if we talk about the RAM speed, then you get to see that it has got a very good RAM speed of 2133 megahertz, which is definitely a good version. That is definitely a plus point and a very good versionality out here. Along with that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that it offers you a HDD capacity, that is hard disk capacity, which is approximately 2 TB. Yes, 2 TB hard disk storage is there. This is really a good variant out there. We cannot say that this is bad. This is really good. 2 TB storage out there. But it does not mean that this variant is offering you all the good specifications. Yes, it offers you good specifications also and very good functionalities. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant and we talk about this version, then we can say that 320 series has got a speed or the HDD speed of 5400 RPM. Yes, rotation per minute out there is very good out there. We can say overall there are few changes which have been made out, and overall if we talk about the series, then this is really good. Apart from that, if we talk about the battery life, because it offers you approximately 2.2 kgs weight, then we can say that it is not very heavy, not very light. But yes, definitely when we talk about the battery, then it uses two cells, offering you 65 volts charging capacity. As well as this two cells is offering you lightweight and not a very heavy weight. But yes, as compared to the cell structure, it can be slightly more less weighted out there. Talking about this variant, we can see it has got a very good Wi-Fi connectivity of 802.11 out there, along with 4.1 Bluetooth connectivity. You get to see that it has got USB charging, USB slots out there with two slots out there. Along with that, you also get to see SD card reading, audio input and output jack system could be seen out here. As well, if you get to see that the points, power points, plug-in points, they are also good out here. Apart from that, multimedia could be seen out here, in which webcam helps you to record at 720p HD recording. Yes, if you would like to record in this variant, then this is good at video recording. Secondary camera is not still possible in the Lenovo series out here. Yes, whereas you get to see dual speakers out there along with inbuilt mic, and you also get to see that you can have a stereo type speakers along with a, and you have dual speakers. So stereo type dual speakers would be seen along with a single digital microphone can be attached to it, or you can say a jack system could be attached to it, like a 3.5 jack if you'd like to attach. Apart from that, the micro phone inbuilt in is this is a digital microphone, so that is very good out here. Apart from that, if we talk about the drive systems, then it has got DVD writer, it has got DVD read and write drive also. Along with that, it has got a multi-touch pad out here, which is for the mouse control, as well as keyboard is quite good out there. When we talk about this variant, then we can say that it has got really a good connectivity out there. Overall functionality is quite good in this variant. Now let us talk about the pricing of this version also. And when we talk about the pricing, let us visit a site which offers great pricing for this gadget. The site name is just at click.com. Yes, this is the site I'm talking about. This site offers you great pricing, pocketable rates for your favorite gadgets out there, as well as this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadgets out there in your very limited rating. You can see, like, I'm typing Idea Pad 320 out here, and I get to see these kind of products. So this is the result. Lenovo 320 series 2 versions have been brought out here. So let us search these two variants also. So on clicking one of the product, you get to see this kind of a result, and here you get to see there's a small description box out here offering all the specifications, as well as you get to see that it is offering you a condition that is refurbished. So let us talk about refurbished condition also. Talking about refurbished products, we can say that refurbished products and brand new products are quite similar out here. Yes, when we say refurbished, the word itself means that it is something brand new. Like, yes, it clearly states that it means something brand new. Like, whereas brand new is always a brand new that is absolutely new out here, which is probably very first time released out. So we can say that refurbished products and brand new products are quite similar out here. Whereas when we talk about the functionality, if we talk about structurality, whether they are similar or not, yes, they are also similar. They are actually same, we can say. They are actually same out here. But definitely, there's a difference out here. Brand new products are actually untouched, or are we again say for the very first time released out in the market. Whereas refurbished, if we talk about the word refurbished, then they are actually pre-owned gadgets or any pre-owned device or anything which has been pre-owned. Refurbished means that which is once pre-owned. Every brand new product, uh, we cannot say that brand new products are always refurbished, because sometimes it happens that they are not in the market out after a long period of time. But yes, every refurbished product was once a brand new. Yes, every refurbished product was once a brand new one. As well as when we talk about refurbished and brand new, their pathway is also quite same, and we can say that refurbished is an extension of brand new. How we say that? We know every pathway is followed by a systematic way, that is base, mediator, and consumer. We know that. But in brand new, if we talk about brand new products, then we can say that the brand new products are like base is the company. Yes, when we talk about the base, it is the company out here. Whereas mediator is the marketplace or the place from where company and the user interact out. So that is the marketplace or the mediator or the bridge, we can say. Apart from that, if we talk about the consumers, then you can say that consumers are nothing else but the users. Yes, we the users are the consumers out here. So this is what brand new is all about. Now the user have a gadget and it is being owned by that person. Now that person is tired or want to resell it, then the gadget, that pre-owned gadget actually is resold in the marketplace and it becomes refurbished. So here the base is the user who has the gadget inbuilt in it, the gadget in hand out there. So that is the user out here. Now reselling is it also take place in the marketplace also. Yes, it is taking place in the marketplace. It can be online sites, offline sites out there. Everything could be said out. Now once the gadget is in the marketplace and now the new user takes it out, then it is known as a refurbished gadget. Now what are the similarities? Now, what are the similarities out there? Matlab, when we talk about refurbished gadgets and brand new products, what are the similarities out there? The similarities lies in the structurality and the functionality purpose. Now, structurality, if we talk about structure, then we can say the design is actually same. Yes, the design is quite same out here. Whereas if we talk about the functions, then we can say that the functionality is also same. The work it used to do when it was released out, it does the same work out there. So this is what actually happens out. Now let us talk about the, we can say, test is out there or the structural functionalities out there. Then we can say that there are few parameters. Yes, there are parameters which defines the test or the gadgets testimoniality. Now these gadgets testimoniality are determined by the same test which were determining the brand new products. When we talk brand new products, then we can say that the brand new products and the refurbished product have the same test, whether it includes the external or the internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, we can say the external parameters are like the design it has, the screen size, the display it uses, scratches out there, buttons out there, points or the ports out there which have been inbuilt in it. They, as well as all the other specifications which externally we can see whether the mouse control is working properly or not, multi-touch if it is having, then how is it working, the control panels are working properly or not out there, the external functional keys are working or not. So this is what external features includes out. Now once it has been checked, external functionality is checked, external design is checked out, everything is done, we come to the next procedure, next parameter, that is the internal parameters. Now these internal parameters are nothing else but the internal components which have to be tested, like you talk about the Intel processor or any kind of processor which is being inbuilt in it. Yes, it is not necessary that always every gadget will be having Intel processor only. So every processor which has been inbuilt in it, The operating system, if it uses any kind of operating system, then what kind of operating system it is using, is it working properly or not. Then after that, it comes out to be the another factor, that is the internal RAM, internal storage capacity, internal parts like connectivity is there or not, microphone is working or not out there. External ports we have talked about, so whether these ports are giving proper output or not. Like if you have a jack system, so whether the jack input and output is good or not, like audio input and output is good or not, camera quality is good or not, that has to also be checked out there. Whether the camera is working or not, that is the first main thing when it comes to camera. So internally every component has to be checked, which we check like battery life, how long it is working out and how long it need to be charged, the battery is working properly or not, everything has to be checked. So this is all about the internal and external parameters which need to be checked out. And once we check these parameters, then we can say, and they have crossed all the parameters, it is assured that the product quality is good, as well as it is ready to have a good service out there. So overall, we can say there is a quality check out here. That product has been refurbished, that product is renewed. Why renewed? If any part is not working properly, then it has to be replaced with the original parts, not any duplicate or the unknown parts. It has to be checked out and see the original part has to be replacing that particular origin part out there. As well as these internal parameters are not just checked out through normal testing, there are specialized equipments to check them, so you can be assured when it comes to testimoniality. Now, apart from that, if we talk about these products, then we can say there are actually premium quality goods out there inbuilt in it. So these are the same parameters which check out the brand new products. So refurbished and brand new have the same design, same functionality, same test. So overall, we can say they are quite similar, except the fact that brand new gadgets are actually first release out there, whereas refurbished are pre-owned gadgets. Now, talking about the benefits of these products, so let us talk about the benefits of having a refurbished product. So, when we talk about benefits, the first point comes out to be the pocketable rates. Yes, the first point comes out to be the pocketable rate. Now, when we talk about pocketable rates, what does this pocketable rate mean? It means that the refurbished products or the pre-owned gadgets have come up with a rating which are not going to cost your pocket at all. Yes, the rates are going to be very cost effective. They are very effective out there. Whereas when we talk about the brand new products, they are slightly expensive. Yes, first time release are always expensive also. So you find that these are slightly expensive. But when we talk about the comparison, then yes, refurbished products are quite profitable. So you get to save also. That's this point two and another benefit, that you get to save a good amount of savings. Now we can save a good amount of savings which we can use for next product out there. So this is the main reason why we say that refurbished products are really good. We already know that brand new products offer you 1 year warranty out there. But when we take any or we own any pre-owned gadget, mostly we don't get any warranty period out here. But if you have a category out there refurbished, then you get to have a savings of 6 months. Yes, you can have a warranty period of 6 months also. Apart from that, you also get to have 70 exchange policy. So these are the two additional benefits of this site also, as well as this product. When we talk about refurbished gadgets, refurbished category out here, then you get to have 6 months warranty and 70 exchange policy also. So these are the benefits of having refurbished products over brand new. So let us talk about the website once again, so that we do not miss out anything. So this is the website we were talking about, and the website name was justatclick.com. Yes, we were talking about justatclick.com, where you get to have your favorite laptops, PCs, your favorite gadgets at a very reasonable rates out there. As well as it offers you COD. Yes, it offers you COD, as well as this site offers you some amazing things that are like free home delivery. Yes, you get to have free home delivery, money back guarantee, as well as a support system. Yes, you get to have a support system also. So these are the additional benefits of this site. You can also check out the search icon where you get to see your favorite gadgets, or you also get to have all brand laptops out here which offers you a great brand products out there. So you can check out the website. For best deals, do visit out the website. Link has been given in the description, or you can go on Google and type just at click.com. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.